We've got this 2010 Street Glide we just finished here at 702 Motoring. This customer's bike is using a Pioneer electronic screen. We're using the Diamond Audio bullet horn, which are these right here. These are a new shallow horn, very loud, very crispy, extremely loud. Behind here is 6.5 inch mid-range, all in the stock location. So we've got a bullet horn, 6.5 inch mid in the factory location with no modifications to the Street Glide fairing. Factory Street Glide fairing. In the saddlebag, we've got dual 6x9s. And it's a dual 6x9 saddlebag lid. We have in stock Vivid Black. So those are the Diamond Audio MS69CX. It's a waterproof coaxial sub 6x9. So it's a very unique setup that Diamond Audio has created. Very, very heavy duty. 9 supported. We do all our disconnects in-house at 702 Motoring. We don't use a kit that's pre-made that you just use. We custom do everything ourselves. It's fully functional. You know, you get out there in the middle of the freeway and for some reason you got to take the saddlebag off, either one for that matter. It needs to work. It needs to work easily, and it needs to be able to work more than one time. That's a lot of these prefab kits, they are what they are. We just learned a long time ago to custom do them ourselves. So this is an out-of-state customer's bike, and it's going to be picked up tomorrow for delivery. So going over what we have here, we're using a Street Glide Pro Audio fairing kit that allows us. This is what it comes with right here. This is a lot of people haven't seen this before. This is a very unique. This is not your everyday. Let's just get a set of 6.5 by 5 1/4 adapters and that's it. No. This uses a custom-made adapter assembly that allows this bullet horn to fit on top of that Diamond Audio mid right here without having any hitting at all. So when you're out there cranking this thing away, you got no hitting, no issues. That's the setup here. So on this bike we have 2 amplifiers in the fairing. Okay, so we don't use any type of amplifier rack that's pre-designed or built or sold for this motorcycle. These are custom installs. The mounting brackets that we use for amplifiers are custom made in-house. We use metal back straps. We lock washer, nut and bolt them down. They don't move. They never back off, and it holds that amplifier solid behind that fairing. And we've got 2 amplifiers behind that fairing. We've got a MICRO84U, which is a 4-channel. These are one step above the standard all gold micro amplifiers. This is the Diamond Audio MICRO84U. These are digital amplifiers. These are serious amplifiers. 8-gauge power wire. You got 4 channels, 2 channels running the 2 mids, 2 channels running the 2 horns. We can fine tune them separately. Can you use 2 channels and run them together? Yeah, I suppose you can, but we like to tune our components completely separately. They're designed for 2 different music frequencies, different speakers completely. In the rear, running a 4 6x9s, we've got a MICRO82U. Okay, this is one step above the MICRO2V2. This is one step higher end of an amplifier. These are awesome amplifiers. We do not have a failure out of these amps. There's no failure on any of this product for that matter. We have no comebacks. We tune our systems. They sound awesome. This is the 6x9. This is Diamond Audio's high-end speaker. It's a waterproof 6x9. It's not just a marine speaker. It's made for motorcycles. It's waterproof, meaning you get caught in the rain, you're not going to get any water inside that saddlebag. That's really important. So this is a titanium tweeter, very bright to keep up with the horns in the front. It's waterproof. You got serious ports in this magnet. Serious ports. This is no joke. Aluminum basket. Some applications you have to do a little massaging on the speaker because it is a slightly oversized basket because You know, it's a little tad bit over a 6x9. It's a very, very beefy aluminum basket. If you need to grind a little bit down to fit it in your particular bags or however your setup is, if we sell the speakers, you have a warranty on them, regardless if you have to do a little grinding on the speaker. We still warranty them. Not that you may never need it, but just in case. But you know, if you put a hole through it or something like that, you know, that's a different story. So, you know, this is the customer setup right here, you know, and this is an awesome sounding Street Glide. You know, the music choice, you have to understand that YouTube prevents a lot of music from being used due to royalties. It's not up there for more than a second, and YouTube's pulled it down. You know, they give you a strike. 3 strikes, they actually shut your account down. They're very serious about it now. So no AC/DC, no Metallica, nothing, no ZZ Top, nothing like that. So, but they do have royalty-free music, and you know, 1,000 different songs. So we go through, try to pick out a pretty decent song, not to play it over and over and over through our different videos, because we'll be posting a lot of videos on a lot of bikes we do. It's bike after bike after bike after bike after bike. You know, we've got a 2020 sitting right here, all ripped apart for a whole system. You know, we've got this Street Glide here. You know, so you know, most of these bikes, pretty much all of them are getting Diamond Audio, because currently right now in the market there is nothing hotter than the Diamond Audio product. We'll put it up right up against Hertz. They have quite a few different brands. We're not concerned about it at all. So let's do a little demo here. Let's get a little music and see what kind of sound we got here. I can promise you at 120 miles an hour, It's going to be loud. I can promise you also, you're going to have the loudest bike. You're going to have the loudest bike in your area. I mean, this stuff is seriously impressive. You know, 702 Motoring, we're an authorized dealer. All our product is new and warranted. We ship nationwide. We even ship outside of the country. You can give us a call at 702-335-0000. You can check us out at www.702motoringlasvegas.com. Not everything's on our website. It's a work in progress, but we have a lot on their website. And give us a call. My name's Paul. I will help you. My staff will help you. We do installs in Las Vegas on our sales floor. We're not scared of the work we do. We'll show you. We'll work on your bike right in front of you. We're not going to hide it on our sales floor in Las Vegas.